All right, so let's jump into these mutual aid questions. So, question number one, will artists or other people who are doing this receiving money via PayPal, Venmo, or cash need to report this as income? So, when you set up your own fast action mutual aid and people are just giving you direct money into your PayPal account, your Venmo account, do you need to report it as income? Are you going to be taxed on that money? Well, I have some good news for you here. So if that money is given to you as a gift or as a donation, 100% with nothing exchanged, that's very important, then it will not be considered earned income. The good news here is that gifts are not taxable income. You do not need to report gift income and you are not taxed on gift income. But I do want to be very clear that this is regulated and you need to be very careful. You can't just classify a bunch of income you make as gifts. The IRS is extremely strict about this. So you want to document that these are gifts. Ideally, if the person giving you the money can put a note in with the PayPal or Venmo donation that says what it's for, says that it's a gift, that is ideal. That's what you want. You need some kind of written proof. They could also do it in a follow-up email. You could write to them and clarify, hey, is this a gift? And their answer back, that will serve as your proof.